Hey there, savvy business owners. Tired of juggling numbers and stock charts like a circus act? Well, say hello to Intellectia AI, your new brilliant investment sidekick. And guess what? Today, I'm here to spill the beans on some epic pricing hacks that'll make your wallet happy. First things first, click the link in the description below for a sweet discount and special offers. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Alright, let's dive into the magic of Intellectia AI's pricing plans. They've got something for everyone, whether you're just dipping your toes in the investment pool or you're already swimming with the sharks. Starting with Yep, you heard that right. Free! You get 14 days to test drive those AI engines like a pro. Limited access, but hey, it's a great way to get a feel for what Intellectia AI can do. Next up is For just $15 a month or $144 a year, you get access to basic AI agents, real-time market analysis, and portfolio tracking tools. It's like having a personal assistant who's really good with numbers. But wait, there's more. This one's for the big leagues, folks. At $30 a month or $288 a year, you unlock advanced AI agents with customizable strategies, backtesting, priority support, and enhanced risk management tools. It's basically like strapping a rocket to your investment strategy. And rumor has it there's A in the works. Picture this: even more features, even more resources, and even more power at your fingertips. It's like getting the keys to the investment kingdom. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it worth it? Well, let me tell you, users are raving about Intellectia AI's ease of use, comprehensive features, and those sweet AI-driven insights. But don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description below to snag your discount and special offer. Let Intellectia AI turn your investment game from meh to wow. So what are you waiting for? Unlock your investment potential, simplify your investing, and outsmart the market with Intellectia AI. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Click that link and let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tips and tricks. Until next time, happy investing!